How to create Facebook business page for your business, organization, brand, or company. So if you're a business owner or you're selling product, you need a Facebook page. The difference between a Facebook page and a Facebook account is that Facebook page was designed to bring customers, clients, followers, and fans, while Facebook account is purely created for family and friends and people that you may know. So if you're running a business as a business owner, you need a page. And if you create that page, you'll be creating content related to what that page was related to the product or services or the whatever the company is into or whatever the business is into. In that way, people who are interested in such things will be following you and consuming free content in your page while they buy the whatever product or services that you're offering on that page. So if you're a business owner, you have not gotten a page, you don't have a page, you're just running it on your personal account, and this year 2025 decide to have a page, this video will be very, very useful for you. So if you want to create a page, this is the way your account is. When you come to your account here, you click on this. Okay, so these three lines by the right side, you click on it like this, and when you come here under your name here, you will see create a new profile or page. But even if you do not get this, then you can come down here, click on more, and then you will see page sign here. You click on page sign, and then you will see here to say create. So whichever one is okay, you still come here, and when you come here, you see public page. You click on public page, and then you say next. The client I am creating this page for is into medical, hospital, and laboratory equipment. So I have sat down with him. I've sat down with him to come up with a name. When you are creating a page, one of the challenges you are going to face is getting a page name, because your page name is very important. You cannot just put any name, especially if you want to optimize that same name in other platforms like Gigi, Google, YouTube, Instagram, and the Google Map. So you have to select a name that contains the keyword. Keywords are the words that people are going to use to find your product or your page. So these people, they are into medical equipment, they're into laboratory equipment, into hospital equipment. All right. So and I have helped them to come up with a name that contains the keywords. So their name is Dove and Joe. Dove and Joe. Med Lab Equipment Shop. So that's the name. All right. So from here you will see that into medical and laboratory equipment. All right. And is a shop means where you can come and buy these things. You can come and shop for these things, right? So that's the name. That's the name we have arrived after about 6-7 names, and we'll run analysis and then come up with this name as a very perfect name for this company. So I'm going to make a separate video to show you, teach you, and educate you on what should guide you in selecting a name for your business or your brand on Facebook or any other platform. So you say next. All right, as I say, the name Dove and Joe Medical Equipment Shop is invalid. We suggest, okay, there's nothing there. It's just that it's capital. So let me make this one small and then letters. So I notice that this one now will be okay. I hope everything is fine. Good. And I say next. All right. So when you come here, you will see keywords. What the category best describe Dove and Joe Med Lab Equipment Shop? Yes, of course, they are into medical and health. Now I'm going to search for equipment here, whether they have equipment. No. Hospital equipment. Hospital equipment. Is it anything like that? They don't have hospital. They don't have hospital. They have hospital. Yeah, there's hospital here. What other thing? Can I have equipment? They have equipment. Equipment. Is there anything like equipment? No. Equipment. Commercial and industrial equipment supply. Office equipment and store. Outdoor equipment. Okay, let me take office equipment. But it's not office equipment. Commercial and industrial equipment supply. No. Okay, so let me use the word. Let me type the word supply. Supply, because they also supply. Supply. Medical supply store. Good. Medical supply store. These are keyword, powerful keyword. Medical supply store. Okay. Medical supply store. I think this is okay. Medical supply store. This is okay. And I say create. Awesome. You've created your page. Okay. Now, looking at promote your product or service, create content and connect with fans. Best for companies. So you select this one because this one is good for companies. So you now say this page is a business page, it's not for content creators. So you say continue. Good. Now, another important thing here is bio. Bio. I'm going to do a separate video on to show you how to create a good bio. Right? So, but here now, I'm going to write here deals on. We deal on all kinds, okay, all kinds of what? Hospital, laboratory, and what? Medical. Servicing the keywords. Equipment. Okay, so let me remove the word deal and use a more powerful word. So we supply all, okay, all kinds of hospital, laboratory, and medical equipment to hospitals, laboratories, and what? Individual laboratories, made equipment. Okay, so it's and laboratories. Okay, laboratories and individuals. Can you enter individuals? Okay, and the laboratories. Full stop. We can't do more than this. The space has finished. So we supply all kinds of hospital, laboratory, and medical equipment to hospitals and laboratories. Okay, so I think that's a very short bio that clearly talks about what these people are doing. So when we come back, we're going to put their website here and we'll put their email here, and then we'll also put their phone number. All right, so we are here. We are supposed to customize the page. We are going to skip it because we're going to come back to it. So in another video where I'll be showing you how to customize and optimize a page for search engine and for content. So you say next. Good. So this is the new page. They say you can invite friends. Just click here to invite maybe the first 1,000 friends or so. Yeah. Then you say next. You will send 1,000 people message. No wahala. Say invite. And then say done. So we are switching to the new page profile. You're almost done. Here we are. D is for dove. Yeah, so let's take a tour. Welcome to your new page. You are now switched out of your profile and into your page, Dove and Joe uh, Med Lab Equipment Shop. This means you will have more confidence that we are sharing, liking, and commenting as page. Okay, so this is where we are, and let's see the page. So you can see the page here is not yet, no cover photo, no profile picture, but the page is created. So we're going to be working on this page. The page health is good, so we're going to be working on this new page. Right, so this is how to create a page in 2025. So watch out for the next video on how to optimize the page on 2025. So it's very important. It has to do with some designs and graphics, and then some other things that we did not do while we are creating the page, like contacts. We're going to also do them alongside. There are other things also: connecting WhatsApp business account, adding an action button, writing the first post, and a lot of things to be done. So you watch out. There are a number of things here to be done: website, LinkedIn website, and yeah, we've completed enough of action here. Here we have done 3/4 action. What is remaining here? Just the link website. But here now we have done 1/4. Still need to write a post, add an action button, and then connect WhatsApp. All these things, watch out for me to do them in the next video. So comment, like, share, and let me know the video you like me to do next, and then ask your question in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer your questions. So if you're a business owner watching this video and you want to create your page, go ahead and create your page. And if you're facing any challenges along the line, let me know in the comments.